Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Inspector General Bapet Yak Fire and Emergency Service ba Francis G. Ïaïong Ulaong hadin kajing treshtom lang jong katunat Pulit bat ka sarkar jela naga Bynta ban penlong ye kajing Thepkam ye ki Pulit hapo ka jela minta kala dai ka por ban pendep no ye ki kam ki brang sa hagabe dai bat kajing penrung kam ya ki lai hajar shis pa Tylli ki kam Pulit hagabalamang hado henyo pun re Tylli ki kam naga Bynta ki UBSI Khat arspa asan pusan Tylli ni Bynta ki UB Constable ki bakintop ye ki fireman driver MPRO bat ki signal operators bat shusho ni Bynta ki AB Constable pat ki kam ki don hado 6000 spa lai pu nyo Tylli ki bakintop Naduh ki AB Constable Battalion Constable General Duty Constable Handyman bat ki driver pada da kenlang yigini baro ki kam ki don lai hajar shis pa Tylli la pentip uba kharshi shishula ongru hakabede ba kajing penlong yigir kam Thepkam kum ka sarkar ba katanat Pulit kala rai ban bu hadu san Tylli ki jaka haki district ba pher ki ba kinthop ya ga first MLP battalion ka badan Ïaïong ka ban pet yigi Bynta jong kanong ba shalong bat ki Bynta ba marjan nangta ka second MLP battalion ka badan Goragri Kaban petnya ke Bynta ki breu hapo ke West Garo Hills. Ke third MLP Battalion ke badan Hasap Seng. Kaban petnya ke Bynta ki breu ki badan Hajantia Hills. Ke fourth MLP Battalion ke badan Hasopian. Kaban petnya ki breu jong ke West Khasi Hills. But ke fifth MLP Battalion ke badan William Nagar. Kaban petnya ki breu ki badan Pdiang ke East but ke South Garo Hills. Baru ba karshi ngula pentip ru ba ya ke notification ne ke jing pentip pat ba ansa penbenang no shen ha ki shisingi arsingi ki ban wan kat ba ya ke jing Thepkam link ba ke online pat an sedang Naduh ke Tarik Ïaïong arajar arpusa shisho na kaliang DGP ke jela Dr. Lazaram Bisnoy ula pentik kena ha ke bedai bat ke jing Thepkam ansa penlong ye ki jat test ba pher bat an pendai dru ye ki kor ki bumju yo thia ne ki CCTV hamadan bat an pendai dru ye ki chips pada hadin ke jing pendep ye ki kam baro hakasngi baki khna ki wan an airu ye ka mark sheet khnang bakin tip ye ki marks ki baki yo bat ba ula pentik naru bakanam don ke jing le siliang ha kam Thepkam Henry kan long ke ba khoj ya kabala tip kum ke transparent recruitment procedure ne ke TRP.
It's been a very long time we have prepared. We worked hard for this, and finally I think it should culminate in a day or two that we should be advertising for around 3,100 posts, police posts. The breakup is for sub-inspectors, UB sub-inspectors is 76. For UB constable, it is 1,255 posts, which includes UB constables, firemen, driver, fireman mechanics, MPRO, and signal operators of the battalion. And there are also another group, which is the AB constable group. This is around vacancies, we have around 1,637. This will include AB constables, battalion constables, MPRO, general duty constables, constable handyman, and driver constables. So the total posts is in around 3,100 posts. This time we are with the guidance of the government, and the government wants to reach out to the people in a better manner. So we will be having our recruitment in 5 different centers of the state. One is the 1st Battalion in Ïaïong, which will cater to this part of the region. Then we have another one in 2nd MLP in Goragri, which will cater to the western Garo Hills. And then we have another center, the 3rd Battalion, which is Sapsen, which will cater to the people of Giant Hills. And we have another center in the 4th Battalion in Sopian, which will cater to the people of the West Khasi Hills. And finally, we have another center at the 5th Battalion in William Nagar, which will cater to both East and South Hills.
How do you ensure transparency in this recruitment?
we have, as in the near future, we have incorporated highly transparent measures, and we've engaged. Will be purely on a electronic, on technical evaluation. So it will be very difficult to manipulate. It will be almost impossible to manipulate.
Any time frame, like when the scheme about vehicles will be
The advertisement should come out within 1 or 2 days, and the online application will start on the 1st of April.
Where all the tests will be conducted and the CCTV will be installed in the grounds and the chips will be installed to the candidates, and immediately timing will be shown in the computers, and at the end of the day every candidate appeared in the recruitment will be given mark sheet, and they will know immediately how much is their score, and depending on that they can calculate that whether I will qualify or not. So this is the one mechanism, and the private firm will install all the electronic gadgets in the recruitment ground. Absolutely there will be transparency, and absolutely there is no scope of any manipulation in this procedure. So this we call it TRP, Transparent Recruitment Procedure. So this TRP, and if you are willing, we can invite you during the recruitment also, and you can see with your own eyes how the recruitment is going on, where everything is transparent. So we will ensure 100% transparency, and the candidates will be selected only and only on the basis of the merit. And this, the applications app will be opened from the 1st April. Their application receipt will start. And once all the candidates will apply, after that, their centers and admit card and will be issued subsequently. So maybe after election, the recruitment process will be in full swing, and you are welcome to visit the recruitment centers and see how the procedure is going on. The largest recruitment in the history of the Meghalaya Police. Nowhere earlier 3,100 people were taken at one go in recruitment. So Meghalaya Police will be further strengthened by more than 3,000.